Assalamu alaikum, how are you? Today we are going to install how busy theme with demo import. First of all, we will have to buy a theme name busy for food bloggers. Now go to appearance, then click on add new, upload theme, choose file, extract the main file here, then choose the theme file which is busy.zip. Okay, install this file, activate this file. If you want to install child theme, then install it, otherwise no problem. I will install the child theme because if something happens to something wrong happens, then it will take no effect on my original files. Okay, I will activate this child theme. Now I am going to install pre-packaged plugins which are in our zip file and which are given by the theme providers. Add new, upload plugin, click on upload plugin, choose file. Okay, plugins. Two plugins are given by the theme providers: JS Composers, which is known as WP WordPress Page Builder. Activate this plugin. Watch full video if you want 100% okay results, but satisfactory results, 100% satisfactory results, which will be shown in the demo. You can see the demo in the Theme Forest website. Okay, next plugin, Theme Core. Install this plugin. Okay, and activate this plugin. After activating this plugin, go to appearance. Okay, go to appearance. Here install click on install plugins. Now install these plugins. Okay, installing the plugins will take some time. After importing the demo, we will remove the sidebar in copyright section. Now you can see that the views are increased automatically. It works correctly and fine, good. Return to the plugins area. Okay, return to dashboard. Import demo data. I am importing the demo data. You can subscribe my channel to get further updates and press the bell icon. Click on import. You can see that the content is importing. My English is not good, do not blame me. Someone told me to make these tutorials in English. Okay, so the demo is importing. Wait for complete process. It will take 1 or half minute. You can see that many files are imported and some files are remaining. There will be 6 home pages after importing the demo. Okay, now some files are remaining. Wait for complete importing process. Now generating the IDs of the images imported. The big problem of any theme is that it requires a slider. It requires slider, but this theme doesn't require any slider. As well as it requires no key for update. You can update it automatically. When update comes, click on update and it will update. Now the demo is imported. Now we are going to see our home page. Let's see our home page. Open link in new tab. This is our home page, which will be shown in the demo page in the theme forest. Now you can see that it is very elegant. Now we will remove this sidebar which is in copyright area. Let's do it. After this I will show you all home pages before buying the theme. I am using this theme for the first time, so I have to search this. Where will be these options are available? Now go to menus. Let's check. No, here this sidebar which is copyright area is there. You can remove all the widgets, then you will have a definite home page and well designed home page. Remove the last widget and it's done. Now go to your home page and refresh it. Now refresh it. We refresh the page. Now you can see it is removed and our theme is okay. This error comes for only admins. Now we will see the home page after. The post will be shown like this. If my voice doesn't come you clearly, use headphones. You can use your URL here. Now we will see the home page 2. This is home page 2. In this we will see that there is a slider in which you can see that it requires no plugin. You can post ads, load more. There are no more posts, so you can add posts after the slider. In home page 3 you can you can post ads in the header. In home page 4 the combination of 3 and 2 you will see. In header you will post the ad, and after the slider you will post the ad. You can see that check this. Now this theme is very beautiful for food bloggers. You can use your YouTube channel links to post your videos here. Now check this. This is very beautiful layout of the posts. Now below this slider, most views means the viewers. Sorry, my English is not good, that's why I can't describe it. Here there is a trending option. The most visited post is here. Okay, so this is our last homepage. If you like our video, then subscribe to our channel, The Beast Studio, for further updates. This is for single post. This is for contact. This page is contact area. Now I will show you the category option. You can make your pages like this. category transparent, category list, everything you can make with this theme, busy theme. Now this is our tutorial of this project, busy theme. You can use this for your food bloggers, anything you want. You can use this for travel. If you want to have a video of this for travel website, you can comment me below this video. Okay, you can you can give me your opinion in the comment. Okay, so that's all for today. I hope you enjoy my video, so do not forget to subscribe my channel to get further updates. I log out from my website, so I will check that how it look like for a new visitor. That's all from my side. Allah Hafiz.